We care for people every step of the way. From Theo's first breath to Elena not blushing when she bleeds. And for Albert to keep doing what he loves. We care for changed attitudes, so Diana can feel like she's the queen of the pool, regardless of her lymphedema. And Johnny can tell everyone about his incontinence. Well, at least his best friends. We care for our employees to our very core. We couldn't have done any of this without Susan. We care for being passionate. Wireless tech is just one of the things our engineer Peter loves. We care for teamwork, mentorship, focus. And we really, really care about sustainable innovation. Sometimes Ada can't stop talking about how wheat straw can revolutionize tissue paper production even during lunch. We care for the big picture.
Together, we can fight antimicrobial resistance.
And we're dedicated to the details. We care for new technology because the innovations Zamira and Elsa create today could change someone's life tomorrow. We are Essity, a global leading hygiene and health company, and we care.